I don't know if you can see, but there will be brand new promenade starting from Kuta up to Seminyak, and probably there will be the tram. Unbelievable, check this out. So many motorbikes here. Oh, the guy crashed just behind me. Check this out, what's going on. I hope so. He's all right, and he looks like a local guy, maybe not. I'm starting today's video from the area of Gado Gado, Seminyak, and I'm gonna head to Padma, Legian by the street. I'm gonna show you what's going on around, because actually a lot of is going on around here. Meanwhile, outside the Gado Gado, so many motorbikes, the guy grilling the corn, some local warung, and over here is Gado Gado itself. And there in the background, I don't know if you can see, there is the construction of something, and here there are people and kids playing football. Anyways, back to the topic, a lot of motorbikes here driving on the footpath, so I hope so it's gonna change in the future, but let's talk about that later. Heading to the area of La Plancha, and check this out, it's actually quite a lot of action going on. Guys, do you still remember when was nobody and nothing around here? Half a year ago was like that, but now it's very busy, and this is the street entrance to the famous La Plancha, the place with so many umbrellas on the beach. And it seems like everybody actually are heading over here. Today's title of this video gonna be probably the huge changes coming to Bali. And it's the big changes over here. I don't know if you can see, but there will be brand new promenade starting from Kuta up to Seminyak, and probably there will be the tram. Unbelievable, check this out. And this poster showing how it's gonna look potentially. So the umbrella's gonna stay, there will be the promenade, and all the warung's gonna move into the hut. So they will have a dedicated places for sell their goods. So basically, if you're in the area of Seminyak, Legian, Kuta, you can see the signs like this one. It's showing you how it's gonna look potentially. And well, of course, the apologize sign. There is the construction ongoing. But overall, the construction does not encourage people to come here, because there's so many people and the parking is fully booked, packed. I was lucky as I found the space to park. So basically, this is the 66 hotel. It's open, and it's actually, I believe, it's very busy. Some people walking around. And just literally next to the 66 hotel was the Coconut Beach Club. Unfortunately, it's totally closed. As you can see, it's abandoned 100%. I'm sorry, I don't know when or if ever gonna be open again. Or at least under the same brand. Maybe the new owner gonna buy it and gonna make something different. But currently, it's totally abandoned in 100%. And doesn't look like they're gonna change something. And this is the main road entrance situation. Cars park literally everywhere. And this gate is the border between Seminyak and Legian, and obviously it's very, very busy and people coming. It's 5 o'clock. Actually, if you ask what time is it, it's actually middle of week, and it's 10 past 5 local time, guys. And that's the current situation, comprehensive situation review. How does it look like today? So when you are already in Legian, there are some hotels and the restaurants everywhere. Actually, on the left side, there are bars and the restaurants. And on the other side of the streets, usually the motorbikes park. There is the wall, and there are beach bars for everyone who are not familiar with the area, guys. And this is already Legian, not anymore Seminyak. Obviously, some people passing by, and the next place on the list here is Pavilion. Also a very famous place. However, it's not as that super busy right now. It's literally 5:15. But it's middle of week, so maybe that's why. I'm not sure. Thank you, bro. Next on the list is like a mini mart or something like that. The Sands, Kumala Pantai, local boys trying to offer you something. People, thank you so much for everyone who are missing, guys. And actually, this place seems pretty busy too for me. Quite a lot of people. Anantara Vacation Club and the Coffee Club. This is, I think, belongs to the same owners actually. So, yeah, the lady is driving with them, and some tourists. Yo. Yeah, just happy vibes, but quite a lot of people actually staying around. Yo, yo, yo. And of course, if you enter the beach, deep inside, just next to Anantara, there is the place where you can have a drink by the beach or having a bag. So this place is very popular of that, and I used to make so many videos by the beach, so not gonna show you today too much from the beach, but just little mention. Well, that's how it looks. Actually not that busy by the beach today. Here we go, the Jayakarta Hotel is open. Actually, I think always was open. There is the little tour guide trying to sell you some tours. Yo, some people around, taxi drivers offer you, yo, thank you, brother, thank you. And there are also some families trying to buy the car. So happy days actually. Everybody seems very happy overall. Not mention about the boys who deliver bintangs. People, many of you actually like bintangs by the beach, and well, somebody have to deliver, so hard work. Meanwhile, so many motorbikes. Everybody always wonder why so many motorbikes in Bali. People have to park somewhere. Hello, welcome to Bali. Bakso. Then next on the list, away by Chamakila, Bali Legian Hotel, they was changing. It's open, and well, it looks like this overall. And there is like one warung selling the pizza and beer, something like that. And some more hotels are open actually at the front. That was actually big change because it was closed for the most of the time when I remember. But the places are open again, and actually some people walking as well, so happy days. This place just at the front of me actually looks very new, and it's actually new, I'm pretty sure. Not even know what's the name of the place, but there are some people already around, so happy days, that's for sure. Bali Niksoma, that's the name of the place, looks very nice. Also the area over here is definitely more quieter. Yo! Yo, hello, hello, hello. Everybody are happy, including the security. So, but this area already is more cozy. This is already Padma. Different part of the Legian, it's actually Padma. And well, this Niksoma hotel is actually a new hotel I can see right now. But on the beach side, there already over here, there is the construction side. So the huge changes are coming to Bali, guys. And I'm talking about that literally. Everything started, I think, with the art market in Ubud. The Promenade in Sanur actually was first, then art market in Ubud, then art market in Kuta, and now the biggest changes with the Promenade from Kuta up to Seminyak, and potentially the tram. Not sure if the tram gonna be, but seems like they're putting on the process. So since I live in Bali already like 6 years, I don't remember that so many changes in Bali so far. Yo! Hello, how are you guys? All good? Happy to saying guys to you whenever you recognize me on the street somewhere. However, I have to finish today's vlog. But anyways, always gonna have a 5-10 minutes to chat with you guys. Meanwhile, Melasti Hotel, I think it used to be. There's a lot of constructions going on as well here. So that belongs to the Melasti. Thank you, boss. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Actually, the Melasti restaurant, it seems open again. Corn guy. I don't know what they are doing here. They changed a little bit design, looks actually pretty nice, but yeah, overall. Also, honestly, I'm not sure if this place it's called Melasti anymore. Maybe some of you know something about this place. You can let me know in the comment section, guys. And anyway, next to this place, there are already the big material for the construction. So something very serious gonna be here, guys. That's for sure. Meanwhile, the situation actually they're already building something here. Hold on, it's beautiful sunset, but the promenade here is already the sample, and I just realized it's built by using the prefabricates, like a concrete prefabricates. So seems like they're gonna be actually decent quality. So this is the exactly material what they are building. I think it's called prefabricates, right? With the metal inside, so seems like it's gonna be decent, and definitely it's not gonna be slippery. It's like actually very solid. Looks like this one, so will be the same white like this one, and I'm not sure about the train. It's gonna be here or not. However, meanwhile, looks like this one, guys. Very interesting indeed. In my opinion, this change, like a promenade coming from Kuta, from Tuban up to Seminyak, it's gonna be one of the best changes so far in Bali since I living here. And you can let me know what do you think. But in my personal opinion, if that's gonna be well made, it's gonna be really cool. And if they're gonna make a tram or gonna cruising from Kuta to Seminyak, and well, this will eliminate a little bit of the traffic and hassle with everything. That's even better. Meanwhile, the kids driving with the kites. It's the wind season, by the way. And this is the area of Padma, where is so many empty land everywhere around. Also, I think the similar promenades are in Da Nang in Vietnam, what I saw by myself, and in Phuket in Thailand, obviously, and of course in Rio de Janeiro, in Brazil, and in many other countries, especially in Spain and Mediterranean countries in Europe. So I think that's gonna be very cool. And of course, this is already the Padma hotel and Padma area in general, guys. Hotel seems very busy. Outside the hotel is not much is going on, but people cruising and cruising. Inside the hotel also seems actually some tourists well, I think hotel is quite busy. And well, everywhere in Legian also they're preparing the construction potentially. It's gonna be, let's have a look little bit deep inside. So they're making like a stations here, like a houses. I'm not sure actually how exactly it's gonna look like, but the construction is already started and it's really going on. And I believe maybe they're gonna be public toilets or maybe some dedicated bars where the local vendors can rent this. Actually, I have no idea how it's gonna look exactly. But as you saw from the picture, seems very decent. And this one was the Padma parking area. And well, this is still, people can park. But on the other side, it's already half taken for the construction. This one actually I showed you some time ago when I was vlogging here. And this is the area of the, where is the machinery to cleaning, the little bit of the, this is like a toilet actually. This is area where you can find the singing guy. He's over there charging people for the parking. Next to actually this mural, you can see, because I know many of you guys asking how is the singing guy. There are some local vendors. The singing guy is very busy today. Hello.
Hey, thank you to love him, no profit, and happy birthday, holiday Bali.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Singing guy a little bit busy, but he always gonna find time to little sing for me and you know. Entertainment you guys. Meanwhile, this is the Bali Mandira Hotel. So the quick shot next to Bali Mandira Hotel, actually quite many dogos over here. The bars by the beach actually are open. I'm not sure if I think the construction must go without the breaks, without the gaps. So everything will change in the future here. And this is the Azul Beach Club at the front, also very busy seems like, and Bali Mandira Hotel, also very successful old hotel, but very successful till now. Actually seems like in Azul Beach Club is quite busy today. When I was here last time it was already busy, but now seems like it's very busy. I mean, a lot of tourists come back to Bali. That's for sure, for everyone who are interested. Is it busy in Bali or not? I'm gonna tell you, it's getting better and better. Maybe in Kuta, Legian is not as that busy how it's supposed to be. I also mentioned last time when I was in Ubud, but yeah, definitely it's better than it was. That's 100 for sure, without any doubts. And the last position on the list today in Legian is Legian Beach Hotel, with a very simple name. You're not gonna miss it. It's open. There are some people inside, but it's well, it's not as that busy, but it's also not as that bad. And then there's the junction. There will be Pullman Hotel and the end of the Legian, beginning of Kuta. The beach situation, most of the warungs here are closed and open at the same time. So you can see some people already enjoying, but it's not that busy. Yo, what's up, brother? Yeah, I'm gonna show you last the shot from the beach. Actually, there are some people here. Seems very happy with the ladies. So let them enjoy, guys.